Hey everyone, welcome to the world of passive earnings and digital hustle. Today we're taking a deep dive into the secrets of affiliate marketing, a business model that's been a financial game changer for many. If you're ready for a potentially life-altering shift, stick around as we dissect this topic. What is affiliate marketing? It's the art of promoting other people's or companies' products and earning a commission as a reward for your marketing efforts. Think of it like being a digital salesperson on commission. Your workplace can be anywhere from a coffee shop to your living room. Industry overview. The value of affiliate marketing is skyrocketing to over $8.2 billion as of 2023. It has minimal entry costs compared to traditional businesses, and you can work at your own pace, on your own terms. Income potential. Your earnings sync with your marketing skills. Top affiliates can earn thousands monthly, while beginners can see around $300 a month with engaging content and targeted links. Compelling statistics. Affiliate programs are behind up to 30% of sales for some advertisers. Companies see an average of $15 return for every dollar spent on affiliate marketing. Getting started. Select a niche you're passionate about. Find related affiliate programs. Generate engaging and valuable content. Blogs are responsible for about 65% of affiliate traffic and sales. Keys to success. Stand out with authenticity and build trust. Be transparent with your affiliate links, following FTC guidelines. Focus solely on marketing, not inventory or customer service. Financial outcomes in affiliate marketing can be quite rewarding. Many affiliates pocket at least $1,000 monthly. According to PayScale data, average earnings often top $56,000 annually. The potential earnings are limitless, really, and it all depends on your marketing prowess and strategy. Commission structures, they range from around 5% for everyday consumer items to over 20% for high-ticket products like specialized software or financial services. It's super important to choose the right niche and products. Success story spotlight. Let's talk about Shopify's affiliate program. It's celebrated for its accessibility and popularity among marketers. In conclusion, affiliate marketing allows you to earn based on your marketing finesse. You can brand yourself on your own terms and reap financial benefits without the constraints of traditional business. With over 6 hours spent online daily by the average person, there's a breadth of opportunities out there just waiting for you. So like, subscribe, and share for more insights. Join the journey to financial freedom through affiliate marketing. Remember, the grind never stops, so stay hungry, keep learning, and we'll see you on the next journey to success. Peace out.